My name is Emine. I am researcher at KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. I am working in Bioelectrics group at Institute for Pulsed Power and Microwave Technology. I completed both my bachelor and master degree in biochemistry at Ege University in Izmir, Turkey. Then I moved to Germany for my PhD. Here I joined Microbial Natural Products team at the Helmholtz Institute for Pharmaceutical Research, Saarland. Then when my contract is ended, I moved to Karlsruhe and I started my current job. I am responsible for the designing and conducting of experiments, evaluating the data, and of course, documentation and presentation of the findings. That's a good question. Gute Frage. I think the most interesting part is working with microorganisms. Both in my master and PhD, I work with bacteria, and now I am working with microalgae. It's amazing to see what they can do for us and what is their potential, and to be honest, sometimes they are unpredictable, and that makes me curious every day. I like it. I just remind myself what was my goal and how much I want it. Then I just look back to see my effort and progress on this way. And I have a motivation way. I just repeat myself, even if sometimes something goes wrong and there is some difficulties, I say myself, it won't be permanent. It will eventually pass. I'm just motivating myself like that. I repeat it several times till I get it and I believe it. What I recommend to other women in science, first they have to be aware of their own potential. They have to know what is their capacity and what they can do. They should draw their pathway in their career according to this. And maybe I can also recommend mobility, especially in academia, it's quite important. I changed my workplace 2 times and I saw that how it helped me to improve myself. So I can also recommend them. In this way, they can build their own network. And when they became a research group leader and apply their own research grant, they will need a collaboration partner. So they should have their own network. Maybe last thing, what I did, I can also recommend it to them. I joined events where women in science become together. And in this kind of events, we are able to listen the stories from other women and which kind of challenges they faced and how they overcome this. I find this kind of events really useful.